Hey YouTube, Premium Tracker, Silver Stocker here. Today we got the Silver and Gold Premium Tracker Report for November 2021. This is going to be the last report before one of the most important bullion and gold and silver bullion purchasing days of the year, which is going to be Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I'm going to be tracking all of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals coming up, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you can stay apprised of all the good deals coming down the pike. Gold and silver have really been popping off over the last week and a half. I think both are up between 5 and 10%. Let's check out some news article headlines today to kind of give you a backdrop of what's going on. Our first headline comes from Reuters. U.S. consumer prices rise at fastest pace in 30 years. I'm sure I'm not the only one who realizing that is definitely true. Prices seem to be up on everything right now. Steaks from the grocery store, gasoline, it's crazy. Our next headline is from Kitco. Traders finally seeing gold and silver as inflation hedge amid hot pricing data. So we've had about a year of pretty strong inflation, and it's just now starting to translate into inflation goes up and there's a knee-jerk reaction from gold and silver. That's a pretty good sign of things to come if you ask me. And then finally, also from Kitco, gold price rallies to 5 months high on U.S. inflation report. So we're at a 5-month high right now in gold prices. I'm not so sure on silver prices. I think we've got a little bit ways to go to get to a 5-month high. But let's jump into the price action of gold and silver as well as the relative strength index, because that's a really important factor to keep to watch if you're in the market to buy physical precious metals. Okay, first let's start with the silver price action. Importantly, we've popped above the low made back in late July, early August, as well as the low made in about April of this year. So we're popping off above that. And if you look at the RSI is approaching that 70 level. And so remember, when the RSI is high, you want to be cautious, potentially sell a little bit. And when the RSI is low, that's when you want to be buying. Good times to be buying were back in September, October when the RSI was below 30. In early September, late August when the RSI was really low, down to almost 20. Those were great times to be buying in the market. Right now, hopefully you've got your boat filled by this point because it kind of looks like we're swinging back up. The momentum's with us. It's not always a good idea to be buying into such a hot market. Gold tells us a similar story, except the RSI on gold is already above 70. It's just popping up over the top there. The gold price has been rallying really strongly since we almost touched an RSI of 30 back in late September. It looks like the 52-week high on gold is $19.59 right now, so we're within $100. Next, let's check the premiums. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you know my favorite premium to check and what I think is most important and indicative of where this physical silver and gold market is headed is looking at the premium being charged on junk silver. This chart is the premiums being charged by the 3 online bullion dealers, APMEX, JM Bullion, and SD Bullion, for $100 face value junk silver bags across time. So we're looking at a chart from April of 2021 to November 2021 right now. And back in August, July, the premiums being charged on $100 face value junk silver bags was 16%. Fast forward to today, that's about 30%, so 32% just a couple weeks ago. So the premium has jumped up by 100% from 16 to 32. Now, junk silver, the reason they call it junk is because it used to trade very close to spot. Just like you could just go pick it up and you just paid whatever the spot price of silver was for the junk silver, and that was it. Today, this is one of the hottest items right now in the physical precious metal space, and I believe it's a harbinger of things to come for the physical precious metals market. As an example, let's take a look at the Canadian Maple Leafs premiums. So we were just looking at 30% premiums on junk silver. Canadian Maple Leafs, you can buy as many as you want for 27%. And if you buy a lot, you can get that down to 24%. So you could actually sell junk silver, buy Canadian Maple Leafs, premium, brand new coins, and pocket money in the difference and make a hell of a lot more silver for your money. This is very unusual, and I think it has to do with the fact that the supply of junk silver is inelastic. So in order to buy junk silver, you have to buy it from someone who already has it, and nobody wants to sell. That's a very good indicator for demand in the physical market. Let's take a look at the top deals in silver today. So the top deals in silver, looks like no matter what you do, you're going to be paying about 11% over spot, and those are mainly on 100 ounce or 1 kilo bars. Silver is just really hard to come by right now. No matter what form you buy it in, you're going to be paying a pretty handsome premium on that, and it's not fun. So try to get it private party, I guess. Save on some of those premiums. The top gold to be had right now, well, if you've got 20,000 bucks lying around, you can get a 10-ounce gold bar from JM Bullion for only 3% over spot. That's 56 over per ounce. On the 1 ounce side, SD Bullion has the best deal, 3.6% over, $66 per ounce over spot for a 1 ounce gold bar in assay. For platinum, you're also looking at SD Bullion. 1 ounce platinum coins, random design SD Bullion, only $96 over spot. That's 9% premium. They actually have a deal right now. I think it's for $85. So take another $10 off that. And you're looking at the deal right now on sdbullion.com/deals for 85 over. I did want to point out that premiums for physical gold over the last year, looks like they're continuing to fall a little bit. We're looking at the premium on the 1 ounce American Gold Eagle here. In May, this coin was selling for 12% over spot. Today, you can buy it from any of the online bullion dealers for about 6% or less, depending on volume over spot. Gold premiums seem to be softening. Silver premiums seem to be strengthening. So there's a little bit of a tug of war there. Not exactly sure which way it's going to break, but did want to bring that to your attention. Hey, thanks for your attention today. If you like this content and it helps you with your physical precious metal purchase decisions, please give me a like. Please give me a subscribe. Help me help you. And like I said, stay tuned for full coverage of the 2021 Black Friday Cyber Monday deals on the online bullion shops. You keep stacking, I'll keep tracking.